Today I'm going to be reviewing Linda's Essentials reusable square silicone air fryer liners. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. These are a great idea. They are 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches. Let's take it out and take a look. All right, so here are the 3 liners. So what you're going to actually do, you're going to place this into the air fryer on the bottom. I have an air fryer where it just gets completely messy on the grates, on the basket. So this is going to protect it. Another thing, these are safe up to 446 degrees. They're BPA free and POFA free. And one of the best parts, which is most important to me, these are dishwasher safe. So when you're done, throw them in there. Reusable. You don't have to waste money in parchment paper. Finally, you know you're not going wrong because these have 4.5 stars, almost 3,000 reviews, which I love to see. And 700 plus of this 3-pack were sold last month. People are keeping them, people are buying them, and they're super happy. So if you're looking for a way to save your air fryer, keep things cleaner, check this out. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.